So as you can see, this is a make-believe market, especially here at this counter. Clothes are being sold. Now we try to give this kind of a make-believe experience to our children.
You need one more toothbrush? Okay, give her one more toothbrush. Or एक दो, he will give you. Black color. Okay.
Smiley.
Yes, it is a smiley ball.
I want clothes and shoes. I love it.
You love muffins? You want muffins? So please tell the shopkeeper to give you the muffins. Tell him. Please give muffins. Muffins. Please give her muffins. Take out from this. Take out and give her. Put it inside your shopping bag.
They need to understand how the real world works. Okay, one day they will themselves earn money and they will go to the supermarket and they will buy things. Before that, they need to understand how they have to go, how they have to behave in a public place, how they have to walk in between the aisles, can they touch anything, or whether they want something or whether it is a need for them.
Real fruit, and this is artificial. They can differentiate between fresh fruits or rotten fruits or canned products which are available, stored products. From textbook learning, we just have the pictures and they can roughly understand what is supermarket. But when we actually make believe it, so what happens, a practically child goes to a store, understands what things are there in that store.
What is the concept of money, the value of money? So these are all life skills, self-help skills which we are teaching them from the very formative years. At this age, the child absorbs a lot of things as activity or as play, which later creates their concepts.
Now see what she is doing. She is giving the bag to you.
They understand the value of money, understand the value of saving. Also about community helpers. They need to know who is cashier, who is a sales girl. They need to respect them, because if they are not there, then how will the society run? So this is the entire holistic scenario which we try to create in the school itself, so that they understand this is how in the actual world a supermarket is.
We have a lot of activities, like we have a nature walk activities where we actually, make them see the different kinds of pebbles and leaves and flowers which are available. Then we had a visit in a post office. So practically they have posted the letters in the post office. So they understand that this is what are the different roles of our community helpers. So we practically have made them visited those things like banks.
The concept of need and want, do they just want a chocolate or do they need a chocolate? And how prudent they should be to save money, because money is a very valuable thing and they need to respect it.